Welcome back, and today I have come to Hever Castle, which is in Kent. I have come with my family, and Hever Castle is a 14th century moated castle. It's also the childhood home of Anne Boleyn, who was King Henry VIII's second wife and also the mother of Elizabeth I. And the castle was owned by the Boleyn family before it was passed on to Henry VIII, which he then passed it on to Anne of Cleves, who was his fourth wife. Inside the castle there are two of Anne Boleyn's prayer books, which hopefully we will see. So I really enjoy learning about the Tudors. That is my favourite part of history. So it is dog friendly here, so they're not allowed inside the actual castle, but like the surroundings, they're allowed all around the grounds. There's lots of like refreshment pop-ups and there's cafes. Yeah, I really like coming to dog friendly places. We always bring our dog with us, and she has a great day. My ticket cost £25.50, which I pre-booked online. If you do turn up on the day and you pay on the day, it is slightly more. I think it goes up to £28. You enjoyed learning about the Tudors? Let me know in the comments. If you do, then this is definitely a really good place for you to visit. So that little goose, that's a little nest, there's eggs that she's laying on. Ah, there's also fish that go around in like the moat. So I have just come out of the castle, but yeah, it's really nice inside, and there's also the Anne Boleyn exhibition, which is going on, I think it ends in January 2027, so if you do plan on coming, then you will see it, and it's really good. There's lots of portraits. There's so many like original paintings of Anne Boleyn. There were also some portraits of King Henry in there, which were really good to see. can hire out rowing boats here and also electric boats. You do have to pay, and I think it is like weather permitted, but yeah, it's a really good idea and it'd be really fun. So yeah, I'm just walking around like the grounds, and I think the one thing I will say is that there are so many benches. There's literally everywhere you turn there is a bench, which I really like that when places do that. We have also been so lucky with the weather. It's been really sunny today, and I'm just heading down to the lake, so hopefully I will see some rowing boats. So there are some rowing boats, and I think you get them just over there. My mum's a really big history fan. She loves all the Tudors. Yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, please do give it a thumbs up, and please do subscribe, because it really does mean a lot to me. So I will see you next time. I've also got my takeaway tea, which I'm going to enjoy. So my dog's had a great day. She's done lots of running, and she's also made some new friends. So she's going to have a good sleep on the way home.